is how our tool is covered. And next we have the text tool, or where of course if we want to write something, we can. And of course we can control the text in different ways. For now it's linked to our future styles that we'll create. I'll detach it once. So we have all these multiple options. Fonts are installed in our system, so all the fonts are visible here. So if you wish to manually install any font, you can do so, and it will also be listed and become visible. And so we say can select the variety of different fonts. I'll just select this option again. Here are the different weights that are available to us. We can apply these different weights to them. We have options ranging from bold all the way to extra bold. And then we also have this for adjusting the size. There's a list and we can set different sizes for it. And by selecting, we can set it to 128. And then we have these different sizes available, and we've changed these particular sizes from here. What we currently have is applied through the use of variables, and its value can also be manually input in this specific way. Let me show you how we can input space 256, or we can also manually set the value in this particular manner. Okay, so I see command set. The next thing we have here is line height, and we can set the line height to different values. We have variables available for all of these properties. So if we wish to change it manually, for now let's observe how we can increase or decrease the height of the line. And if we look at it for the moment, it has completely gone down to 0. And over here what we've done is we have expanded this and increased its height. And if as we for example we want to set this to auto instead of manually, we can clear this value and press enter, and it will automatically become auto. Its height will then depend on the related text inside or its font weight and size, and the line height will automatically adjust accordingly. Similarly, spacing is controlled from here. We can control line spacing and letter spacing. You can increase or decrease this, and if you manually enter, press backspace, then hit enter. If we came to -5, I guess we'll just manually enter it here. We actually needed a 0 value. No, we didn't want any negative or positive value at all. And automatically for this, it will be a 0 value. And lastly, of course, there will be alignment. So I'm going to expand this a little bit. And here we will see that the letters we have, their alignment can be set to the left, to the middle, or to the right. And similarly, we are now increasing the line height just a little. Let me increase it further, that we're increasing it slightly, and for now it's in the center. We can align it further. We can align it to the center bottom if we wish, or align it to the top if we want. And there's one more thing I'd like to make a note of, specifically concerning the resizing aspect. For the time being, if we take a look, we are quite effectively able to control its height. Okay then, and if we're looking to, or rather if we want to take everything we have here, first of all, let me just shift it completely over to the left. We want the CKM and the spacing on the right side to remain perfectly fitted, and the this outer border should stay attached to the endpoint of our text, specifically the letter H, so that no extra spacing appears there. So for this we apply auto width. Whatever we click on, it will automatically be applied at the 90. And similarly, if we're dealing with height, we want the height to adjust itself, so we apply auto height for that. And when we manually expand it, it will automatically be in a freeform state, or then it will revert to a fixed size because we have manually set the specific size for it. Then we also have some other properties available here which we can change and explore, and you should explore these yourself. They are quite simple. We can change the case to uppercase or lowercase, and we've got title case. Similarly, we have alignment and also decorations. This is, I guess, quite simple, and we can also incorporate bullet points and similar elements in this manner. And in this way, we effectively cover the section pertaining to letters. And usually our primary focus is placed upon their alignment, ensuring that we are executing the alignment correctly. Wherever we require alignment in terms of height, we will apply auto height, and wherever we need auto width, we will apply auto width. And from this point, typically when we are creating our typography, we will be applying the styles that we have already pre-created right here, instead of us manually controlling it right now. For the time being, if I, for example, select the style, then a major portion of the properties gets hidden, and we are controlling this property through the style. I will just undo this